Remove the bolts that secure the housing by turning them counterclockwise.
There are 3 bolts that need to be removed. The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side. Here's a closer look at the bolts you need to remove.
Wiggle the housing to remove it from the vehicle. Pry up the tab and pull the connector to release the bulb. Remove the bulb assembly by twisting the ring counterclockwise and pulling the assembly straight out. Make sure you store the ring somewhere safe. Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise.
Right down here, we just have to kind of pop this wiring harness off here, and then your housing is free. First thing I'm going to do is just reattach the wiring harness.
Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and slide the ring forward. Twist the ring clockwise to lock it. Push the connector straight in to connect the new bulb. Reinsert the bulb housing into the vehicle.
Slide this housing back in, just make sure this plastic part is over the top.
Replace the bolts that secure the housing by turning them clockwise.
If you notice that the bolts are not going in, you can kind of lift up on the housing to kind of align them a little bit better. These are kind of short bolts here.
Make sure the assembly is tight and secure.